Hi everyone, welcome to Zipmex. My name is Nicholas and today I'm gonna show you guys how to use the buy and sell tab on Zipmex. So the buy and sell tab is fairly simple. So let's take a look. So buy and you can select sell. Let's start with buy first. And these are the pairings that you can trade on. Let's choose USDT THB. So 1 USDT equal 31.52 THB. And this is my available balance. I currently have 49 USDT and 1700 baht. So let's say I want to buy 1000 baht worth of USDT. Yes. So this is the amount of USDT that I received, 31.69 USDT. And as you can see, the fees is 0. Do you know that Zipmex offers 0 fees for trading? Yes, we are the only local exchange that does not charge any fees for trading. So let's do a buy. So this is a confirmation page. So you'll be buying 31.6979 USDT at the price of this price, fee 0, and you will spend 1000 Thai baht. Confirm buy. And my order was filled immediately. So you can go to the wallets tab and take a look at the USDT. Yes, it increased. Yep. So let's go back to the buy and sell page and let's do a sell. Let's choose USDT THB. So right now I have 81 USDT. Let me sell 50. So I want to sell 50 USDT, and over here you will receive 1570 baht. Click on sell. This is a confirmation page again. You'll be selling 50 USDT at the price of this, 31.43 per USDT. Fees 0, and you'll receive 1500 baht, 1571 baht to be exact. Confirm sell. Order was filled successfully. Go back to wallets page and check. Yes, it was 81, now it's 31, and my Thai baht balance increased as well. So thank you guys for watching this video. Goodbye.